Process flowchart and its importance in inspection. What is process flowchart? A process flowchart is a critical tool in chemical factories, designed by the plant in charge or process supervisor according to company requirements. Why it is required? It serves to outline the sequence of operations, timings, and material inputs involved in manufacturing processes. Here's why process flowcharts are essential, particularly in the context of inspections. Design and Execution Guide. Sequence and details. The flowchart outlines the names and quantities of raw materials, their order of addition, heating and cooling cycles, and the introduction of water or other reactants. Operational phases. It captures the time and details of reactions, monitored and recorded by shift in charges, chemists, or supervisors. Batch sheet preparation. Batch-wise detailing. In batch operations, the flowchart is often referred to as a batch sheet. This document provides a detailed breakdown of each batch's process steps and parameters. Inspection facilitation. Systematic understanding. During inspections, the flowchart guides inspectors through a systematic review of the manufacturing process. Chronological order. Inspectors follow the flowchart from material unloading through various process units, example, reactors, distillation columns, product filling, storage, and effluent treatment. Enhanced efficiency. Clarity and coordination. Understanding the process flowchart beforehand allows inspectors to conduct thorough and efficient inspections. Identification of issues. It helps in identifying deviations from standard procedures or potential safety hazards. Comprehensive oversight. Process validation. Inspections ensure that operations align with the documented flowchart, verifying compliance with safety standards and operational protocols. Continuous improvement. Insights from inspections contribute to refining and improving the flowchart and operational practices over time. In essence, the process flowchart serves as a visual and procedural guide that enhances operational efficiency, ensures safety compliance, and supports systematic inspections in chemical manufacturing environments. Its structured approach aids in maintaining quality standards and mitigating risks throughout the production life cycle.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.